So, you want to send emails through AWeber to your email list? Whether you're running a business or just starting out with email marketing, you want to make sure you're doing it right. But is AWeber really the best choice? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to send emails with AWeber. Plus, I'll show you an alternative that might save you time and frustration. First, log into AWeber. Go to the Messages tab and click Create a Message. You'll see a drag and drop email editor. This is where you build your email. Type your subject line, then use the editor to add text, images, buttons, or even personalize your message with subscriber names. Next, formatting is key. AWeber's editor is simple, but also a bit outdated compared to some competitors. Be sure to test different email styles because clunky formatting can hurt engagement. Now, sending your email. Click Send Options, then Schedule Broadcast. Choose whether to send immediately or at a later time. AWeber lets you send to segments, which is useful, but its automation capabilities aren't as advanced as other platforms. If you rely on complex sequences, this could be a limitation. One thing to watch out for, AWeber's deliverability is decent, but some users report emails landing in the Promotions tab more often than other email providers. If you notice low open rates, you might want to test different subject lines or try a different platform. Another issue, pricing. AWeber isn't the cheapest option. If you have a large list, the costs can stack up, and considering its limitations, you might be better off with a platform that offers more automation and better segmentation tools. At the end of the day, AWeber does the job, but after testing multiple email platforms myself, I found a better alternative, a tool that's easier to use, has better automation, and costs less in the long run. If you want to check it out, I've left an exclusive free trial in the first link of the description. Through our link, you'll get special benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Hope this helped. Go test it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments.